From golden wheat fields to giant dough mixers, this is how millions of fresh bread loaves are made every single day in a massive factory. Through precision baking, cooling, and high-speed packaging, millions of soft, fresh bread loaves are produced daily for the world. The journey of millions of bread loaves begins in golden wheat fields. Fresh wheat is harvested for producing millions of bread loaves daily. Wheat grains reach the mill to become high-quality flour for bread loaves. Wheat is thoroughly cleaned before milling into flour for bread loaves. Wheat is milled into fresh flour used for millions of bread loaves. Huge quantities of flour are stored for continuous bread production. Huge mixers prepare dough for millions of bread loaves every day. Dough is kneaded thoroughly for soft and perfect bread loaves. Dough rests and ferments to create airy bread loaves. Massive dough is divided for shaping millions of bread loaves. Dough is precisely divided for uniform bread loaves. Bread loaves receive final proofing for perfect volume. Shaped bread loaves are ready for the ovens. Bread loaves enter high-temperature ovens for baking. Steam creates the signature crispy crust on bread loaves. Millions of bread loaves bake to golden perfection daily. Golden hot bread loaves emerge from the ovens. Hot bread loaves are cooled to ideal temperature. Fresh bread loaves are precisely sliced for packaging. Millions of sliced bread loaves move for packaging. Sliced bread loaves are packed into fresh bags. Bread loaves are boxed for distribution. Pallets of bread loaves are prepared for shipping. Millions of bread loaves are prepared for daily delivery. Bread loaves are loaded for nationwide distribution. Fresh bread loaves reach supermarkets every day. People buy these fresh bread loaves daily. This process supports millions through bread production. Factories keep innovating new types of bread loaves. This is how millions of bread loaves are made every single day.